Hey, what's up YouTube? Different version today of a mail day. I'm gonna call this one Blizzard Mail. This is my front yard. I don't know if you can see this or not, but get some perspective on this. That's about a 2-foot pile of snow right there. Those are the reflectors that keep the plow from plowing the snow into my front yard. It's about 5 degrees right now, but it was 10 below this morning, and it's going to be 10 below again tonight. You can hear that wind. It looks like we've got cards in the mail, along with some Netflix. I didn't get the card that I was looking for today, though, and it just mailed from the Twin Cities yesterday. Crap. That sucks, but there is something from TC the Maverick there. So we'll get inside, open that up. The plow knocked over my garbage can. And there's Mini Boog over there playing in the snow. Let's go in the house and open this stuff up. Alright, I changed my mind. I'm gonna do my mail day out in the garage. So some of you wussies from the south see what it's like to actually be cold. Yeah, we're gonna win. Alright. From yesterday. Get a nice white Fiat of 4 colors. Ultra collection. Got a really nice Albert Pujols 3 color. Look at that. Nice. Got a really nice Jim Edmonds 3 color. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah, it's cold. What else? Alright. Moving along. That's Mario Manningham I've been needing for my set. 2-color, blue and white. With stitching. And from TC the Maverick. Put the camera down on the grill here. Okay. Bean bag. Looks like a couple of stamp holders full of milk and base. Not going to open those all right now. Thank you very much. Another bean bag full of Falcon space. Looks like Matt Ryan rookie cards in there. Harry Douglas refractor. Oh, nice. Jimmy Williams autograph card in there. Very nice. Thank you very much for that. And here's what the deal was that I made with him. Premier Stitching Sean Merriman. This is for the new Premier Stitching set that I'm working on. And there it is. Chargers logo. Numbered at 75. I appreciate that. Make sure you sub to him. I'm gonna put his information over there. Yeah, my fingers are freezing cold. What else, man? Hold on here, hold on. I'm gonna put these back in the package. Alright. Let's take a look down here. Yeah, you can't see anything. You know why? Because my nuts are frozen off. That's why. Anyway, that's it for today. Love it. Yeah, let me give you a real salute here. Later. Okay, real quickly, I'm back inside. Driveway's all done now. Shoulder hurts like a bastard after pushing that snowblower, but I wanted to give TC the Maverick his due because I kind of rushed through out there because it was so damn cold. He sent me this manufactured patch. Of course, I announced last week that I'm going to be doing 2007 to 2008 football and baseball. almost any of those. I'm interested in making deals for them, paying cash for them if the price is right. He sent me the Sean Merriman number /75. He also sent me Matt Ryan rookie chrome, a Joe Horn Bowman chrome refractor, this nice autograph of Jimmy Williams, and then some inserts. Number 1/33 Laurent Robinson, Thomas DeCowd, $9.99. 3 refractors, a buttload of these base cards, and then a bunch of Matt Ryan base. And I guess I didn't realize, I'll cover up the address here, but he's my neighbor, White Bear Lake, Minnesota. So next time I do a case break, you are TC Maverick, you are officially invited to come down and join me. That's it. I'm going to enjoy myself some hot chocolate now, warm up, and wish you all a great evening. Salute!